let's simplify this algebraic expression, okay? But if you feel up to it, you can go ahead and solve this problem by yourself by pausing this video right here, okay, so that you can come back and check my solution. So go ahead, pause the video and solve the problem, and then we can compare our answers at the end of this video. All right, so I would go ahead and solve mine. All right, so simplify this common algebraic expression. This expression can be solved in multiple ways, okay? But one of the ways to make this easy is for us to simply expand this expression. So if you check, what we have is x plus 5 raised to the power of 2. Okay, you can break this down by saying, for instance, that x plus 5 to the power of 2. Of course, you can expand this by saying x plus 5, then x plus 5 in two places. When you expand this, you would get x squared, okay, plus 10x plus 25. All right. Similarly, we have x minus 5 on the numerator. When we expand this, same thing, x minus 5, then x minus 5. When we expand this, very similarly, the only difference would be the sign in the middle. We have x squared minus 10x plus 25. All right. So our original expression, x plus 5 to the power of 2 minus x minus 5 to the power of 2 over 10. This becomes x squared plus 10x plus 25 minus this entire expression here, which is x squared minus 10x, okay, plus 25, and you close the bracket, and then what you are left is over 10. If you look carefully, you would realize that x squared minus x squared will cancel out. Then we have, this is 10x by the way, okay? So 10x minus 10x, that becomes 20x, okay? That becomes 20x. Then what we have here is 25 minus 25, that becomes 0, okay? So what we are left with at the end of the day from the top, it is 20x. What we are left with at the bottom, it is what? 10x. So this entire expression has now been successfully broken down to this, but we can simplify this further by dividing by 10. So this 0 cancels out this 0, and at the end of the day, what we simply have is 2x. And I believe this is similar to what you got, but if you got it wrong, maybe you can look and check where you got it wrong, but this is the answer. Thank you for checking out this video. I'll see you in the next one.